Tired of overpaying for insurance and dealing with a headache every time you need help? Today, we're diving into why you should seriously consider switching to Geico and experiencing insurance done differently. First up, cost savings. One of the biggest reasons people switch is the potential to save money. Geico often provides competitive rates, and you could find yourself paying significantly less than with your current provider. Use their online quote tools or app to figure out how much you can save. Speaking of easy, the Geico experience is built around user-friendliness. Their website and app are intuitive and straightforward, making managing your policy, filing claims, and getting help a breeze. Navigation is simple, information is easy to understand, and everything is at your fingertips. Finally, let's talk about customer service. Geico offers accessible support. You can reach them anytime, day or night, by phone, online chat, or through their mobile app. No more frustrating hold times or navigating endless automated menus with Geico. Help is always available. So, if you're looking for potentially lower premiums, a user-friendly experience, and readily available customer service, switching to Geico might be the perfect move for you. Head over to their website or app and get a quote today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.